Okay, got to change the barrel on this. So we'll take this off and show you how it's done. The last screw obviously is kind of hold the two halves together so the door doesn't fall apart, or the handle doesn't fall out on you while you're doing it. As you can see, getting loose. Slide it out. Just note, you take it apart which way this is sitting. It's actually sitting this way on this one, because it matters when you put it back together, so it works. And the front handle just comes straight off as well. Oh, done. Okay, next, there's a small screw here, you can see, take that off. There's one on the other side, so take both those off. That'll allow this centre slide whole assembly to come out. Just take those off. Okay. Obviously the plate now. This whole unit will now slide out. It's the padding plate. And the centre unit here. It's a little bit of effort to separate these two apart. But that will actually come out as well. And then the unit comes straight out. Just notice it says I've got to do not remove here. That's on the exterior side of the door. Okay, let's get out the barrel. Okay, so once the centre unit's out, pretty straightforward. It's got an Allen key here that you take fully out, and then you can just slide the barrel out and put a new one in. That's what we'll do. Out, pretty easy. New one in. It was quite loose too, so yeah, as in not loose, but it wasn't overly tight, so you can do it up, just a light turn at the end. Done. Put it all back in again. Okay, so putting it all back together, put the barrel in this side on the outside of the door as mentioned earlier, wide part on the top. It almost feels like it's spring loaded, so we've got to put these screws back in. Okay, no, it's not spring loaded, it's just on the other side. Okay, now we'll get our padding. Now it's got obviously a raised side which faces into the door. Your latch just slides in. What it tells me is I probably need to unlock the door. There you go, unlock it and then it's in. And you got that movement. It would be going in, unlocked it, all good. So got that movement. Plate. Okay. Let's put the exterior door handle on. Nice. And we'll put the back on. Just make sure this can potentially come apart when you take it out. So just make sure this can go one of two ways, like that, or twisted. Let's go down a bit more, sorry. That way. So you've got two ways of having it, that way or that way. Depending on which way your handle's upside, if it's upside down, or upside down. So if it's sitting this way, then you'll see it's not going to work. But if it was upside down the other way, then it would. In my case, I need the handle to go down to open, so it needs to be in this position. And it gives me that option. And there's your lock, obviously, but from internally it can unlock itself. I'll put that on the other side. This just slides in, hold the back side. Line everything up. Works. Nice. I think we're putting it together. There's nothing much to do. Okay. Done.